Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain a guide to writing essay. An essay is a piece of writing that focuses on and develops an idea or argument through interpretation, analysis, or evidence. What you write for an essay depends on the subject matter and at what level you are writing it. For example, essays at high school level are more of an overview of a subject, whereas essays at university level are argumentative. However, there are certain basic steps to follow while drafting an essay. There are essay writing services to choose from. These beginners guide covers the writing process required when writing an essay. First, choose a topic. Choosing a topic for your essay is the first and most important step in the essay writing process. The topic you choose will form the basis of your entire essay, so it's important to choose a topic that you are truly interested. To make sure you choose an appropriate topic, start by brainstorming ideas and think about what would be interesting or relevant to write about. Once you have identified a topic, do further research to ensure it is interesting and essay and easy to understand. Second, do some research. Researching your essay topic is an important step in writing a good essay. It's important to make sure that you have a good understanding of the subject, and the best way to do this is by doing some research. Depending on the type of essay you're writing, this could mean conducting interviews, reading scholarly articles or books, or consulting reliable online search. When researching, it's important to record any relevant information you find. Write down quotes, facts, and examples so that you can refer them later. Also, be sure to check the accuracy of your research. All the information you see in your essay should be reliable and accurate. Research can also help you determine the best approach to take when writing your essay. It can give you a better understanding of the topic, as well as give you ideas on how to structure your paper. By doing research, you can be sure that you're making the right arguments in your essay. Third, developing a thesis. A thesis is a statement that conveys the main idea of your essay and it serves as the foundation of your argument. Your thesis should be specific and clear and explain the content of your essay. When developing your thesis, consider the following questions. What is the topic of your essay? What do you want to prove or disprove? How will you support your argument? Once you identified the main idea of your essay, it's time to draft your thesis statement. Make sure your thesis statement is clear, concise, and includes your main argument. Avoid making broad claims or using generalizations. Instead, make sure you provide enough details and evidence to support your opinion. Remember that your thesis statement is the foundation of your entire essay, so make sure it's strong and well crafted. Once you've create a strong thesis statement, you can start drafting the rest of your essay. 4. Outline your essay. Creating an essay outline can be a great way to ensure your essay is well structured and flows logically from one point to the next. It also allows you to identify weak points in your argument and make changes before you start writing. To create an outline, start by brainstorming your ideas, then organize them into a logical structure. Your outline should include an introduction, body paragraph, and a conclusion. The introduction should include a thesis statement, the main idea or argument of your essay, as well as some background information on the topic. Fifth, start writing your essay. Once you have your thesis, outline, and information gathered, it's time to create your essay. Writing an essay will be easier once you have a plan. Start with a strong introduction. This is where you introduce your topic and provide some background information. Make sure to draw your reader in with a strong hook at the beginning of your introduction. Your next steps: to write your body paragraphs. Start each body paragraph with a topic sentence that supports your thesis statement. Use evidence from your research to support your opinion. Make sure each body paragraph flows logically into the next. Finally, end your essay with a conclusion that summarizes the main points and emphasizes the most important ideas. It's important to make a strong impression on the reader, so make sure your conclusion is memorable and meaningful. And the last guide, proofread your essay. Once you have finished writing your essay, it's important to take the time to proofread and edit it. Be sure to check for spelling or grammar mistakes, as well as inconsistencies in the flow of your ideas. Read your essay to yourself or have someone else read it to you. This can help to catch any mistakes you may have missed. Also, make sure to read your essay with an open mind and be willing to make change if needed. Even if you feel satisfied with what you have written, there may still be some areas that needed improvement. Ask yourself questions like, does this make sense? Is my argument convincing? Can I make it clear? Finally, remember that proofreading takes time and patience. Don't rush the process. Take the time to carefully read your essay several times and make the necessary revisions. With the right amount of attention and effort, you can ensure that your essay is error-free and ready for submission. That's all my explanation. Thank you. Bye.